Good morning YouTube, my name is Nirav. You're watching daily vlogs and metro work is still going on. Well, it's Wednesday 23rd of March 2022. You must be expecting me to be working, but something different happened yesterday, no, day before yesterday. So I got invited to the Bharati Vidyapeeth. Actually one of my friends suggested me and then got invited for it. And I'm riding after 2 weeks, so I'm feeling a bit happy, you know. But even after 2 weeks, you need to get used to it. Okay, I'm wearing white shoes, so I need to be very careful while shifting gears. And so there's a fest, Auto Expo in Bharati Vidyapeeth, Kharghar, just next to my college where I was in. I was in a college which is I was in AC Parallel, so that was very near to me. And I mean Bharati Vidyapeeth was very near, considering the okay, there's a lot of traffic here everywhere. I'm a bit late because of the traffic, but why the fuck he had to come this side then? Oh boy. I don't know why the brakes are not. It's giving me a bit of ABS effect right now. Not very powerful as usual for Hayabusa. Or maybe I'm very excited or too much in hurry. Don't know. But it's very hot, I must say. The event was supposed to start at 10:30, 11. It's 11 already when I'm in Powai. Not in Powai actually, I had a Powai I would say, but I'm trying braking. So there's gonna be a bit of traffic. अभी directly मिलते हैं नवी मुंबई में, because बीच में तो कुछ रहेगा नहीं दिखाने के लिए. कुछ ऐसे रहेंगे लोग who are using their phones while riding. Actually I had some work as well, जिसकी वजह से I got a bit late. So finally we are here in Kharghar in Bharati Vidyapeeth. The entry was awesome. I don't know if it got recorded or no. I don't even remember anyone knows me, because this was back in 2018 or something, like, you know, when I used to vlog over here. Started over here in Kharghar itself. Let's see. Oh, someone's revving. Oh, someone came. So they're coming with the banner.
किसी को लेके खड़े रहने देना तब तक. Vlogging करते हैं.
हाँ. I started here only. I was in AC Parallel before. Oh. Very long back. So यहाँ से सब चालू हुआ था. That time I used to have Activa. वहाँ से फिर ये. Oh, thank you so much. So they're getting my canopy ready with the banner. So let's see, it's already done. So till then we have so many bikes over here. Let's see, all in a B-roll.
Shit, look, I ain't worried about it. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't worried about shit, look, I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. Yeah, yeah. I hate this shit, you spend it all. Yeah, 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 yeah. I hate this shit, you spend it all. For you, I spend it all.
So there it is, the banner is put on now. I hope the subscriber counts increases now. This is the third time I've actually come to the festival. The first time I was called in Father Agnel in Vashi, and the first time I was called in Father Agnel in Vashi. Then second it was Saraswati, but during Saraswati I was in Dublin, so that's the reason I couldn't go at that time. Luckily when they called me over here, I was like, fine, let's do it. I mean, it's very nearby, and plus it's the same place where actually I started. I mean, not exactly in this college, but the college next to it. So why not? Why not in Kharghar? Because of Kharghar to Powai journey, I would say, like, you know, every day which I has to do for college, that actually got me into motor vlogging, and here I am. And it's really amazing to, like, you know, come in the college, being called in the college, like, for the festival. It was one time when we used to organize all those things, and we used to call the guests or celebs and all, and getting invited as a celeb or a guest is amazing. So kudos to Bharati Vidyapeeth. I've been called by Saraswati and Bharati Vidyapeeth, which is on the either side of my college. Meri college nahi bula abhi tak. So that's weird, but let's see, let's hope for the best. They'll call me to again. They shifted my place from there to here. They put the banner again, and the bike's been parked horizontally the way it should be, actually. You know, it is massive, so obviously it has to take the massive space as well. I don't know if it's dark, but दिख रहा है कि नहीं. The showroom people have come to show their bikes as well. There is Superbikes in Maharashtra wala Instagram group. There is, I guess, some sharp riders or something like that. I forgot the name. Then there's one more YouTuber, I guess, and I'm the one. So there are two YouTubers and I guess two groups. And baki aise hi sab log, you know, they have got their own bikes as well. It's amazing. Bikes are very loud. I did one rev up. It was very good. Record हुआ है शायद से. Soumitra was the one who was recording it, so thanks Soumitra for that. Really thank you for recording it. By the way, तुझं नाव काय?
माझं नाव प्रदीप बडे.
प्रदीप
बडे.
बडे.
प्रशांत पुरी. साकेत पाठक.
साकेत
पाठक.
पाठक. आणि तो होता तो कोण? अजून एक होता
सम्राट
नाही सम्राट तो कल्चरल हेड आहे ना
1% व्हॉलेंटियर होता दादाला विचारत होता आमच्या तो गेला आता
So पता नहीं वो कहाँ पे गया but then let's see we'll find him maybe later and there was one more Soumitra I guess Soumitra म्हणून पण एक होता
नाही पता
So this is Soumitra right? Yeah that's what I was talking कारण ह्यांचं झालं इंट्रोडक्शन तुझं राहिलेलं आणि अजून एक आहे तो कुठे गेला काय माहिती नाही आताच होता तू पण पास आउट
नाही मी सेकंड इयर
अच्छा
आमचा सिनियर वाटतंय गाडी उडवली आम्ही लहान वाटतं
So that's Samrat who contacted me first. So Samrat, you'll be there next year? Or?
Yeah. No, I am actually last year.
Oh, okay.
But my juniors are here. They will be.
Sure.
So I will be giving them your contact.
Certainly, yes.
Every year, welcome you.
I'll be there for sure.
Yeah, I will surely I will be here.
Okay.
But not as a committee.
Oh, okay. As a senior, you'll be just coming around. Yeah. Sure.
Can we have a pic?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, bro, very much for coming. See you next year, each and every year.
Sure.
Yeah?
Certainly, yes.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
So finally, we have most of the crew members over here. What's your name?
Ashutosh Pathak, president. Sandesh Hade.
Oh, you're the president?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Lovely. What's your name?
Anurag Sharma.
And there was one more.
Guys. Volunteers.
What's your name? Sorry?
Sangram Nimbalkar.
Yours? Varun Kulkarni. Mithilesh Suryavanshi. Mr. Photographer.
Roshan Sharma.
He's the main person actually. Okay, that's Anuj. Actually इसको ढूंढ रहे थे हम लोग. Yeah, वो actually बहुत time तक था वहाँ पे but then later on he disappeared. Okay, so that's all I guess. चलो फिर thank you so much everyone and call me once again next year as well. I'll come. Sure. Alright, chalo. There are police outside, so need to be very careful. No need to be wild now. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bro.
कार कॉप्स है आवाज कर रहे तो पकड़ ले
अच्छा
ये इधर से
राइट मारून ना ओके
जस्ट इधर ही खड़े हैं सामने राइट मार जाओ
There are police? Where? I couldn't see a single cop over here. And I'm being wild as well. So I'm going towards a place in Vashi, in Orbit Mall. One of our subscribers is gonna meet me over there. So, and he said he's gonna fly next week to Germany. So let's meet him. On chat he told me, can I come home at his place? It'll be very late because he stays in Koperkharane, so I don't know whether I'll be able to meet him or no. So I thought at least can meet him on the way, or else he was saying that or at least he said he'll be coming to Bharati Vidyapeeth. But then I guess he was supposed to come by 4 o'clock, but then 3:30 ko hi sab kuch khatam ho gaya. Actually before that only everything got over because most of the riders they left early around 2 o'clock, and it was something which I would say was very early. So इसलिए मैंने उसको text भी किया कि I'll be leaving now. Are you able to come now? Will you be able to come now? And then he was like, I don't think so. Let's meet on the way. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, वाशी में मिलते हैं in Orbit Mall के इधर. He'll reach in next 10 minutes, he said. I'll take another, I don't know how much time. I'm thinking to fill. No, I don't need fuel now. नहीं तो मैं सोच रहा था fuel भरने के लिए यहाँ पे, but ज़रूरत नहीं है. Hey, how are you? Finally.
Looks great, bro. I heard from there itself.
Acha, I actually stopped there. I was like, I was checking actually where exactly are you. So you told me about the gate now.
Yeah, she was texting, bro.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations to you too, Germany.
Yeah, I'm traveling after like a week so.
You got your tickets?
Yeah, I got it. I got my visa too.
Oh, lovely. Where exactly in Germany?
Pardon?
Where exactly in Germany?
Berlin.
Oh. For which course?
Masters in Automobile Engineering.
Oh, lovely. That's the mother country of automobile, man.
Yeah, I know that. That's the only reason I am traveling there.
So that's Sai Roomday, and follow him on Instagram somewhere. I'll just put the link somewhere.
Yo, nice meeting this guy. Please like, share and subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Thank you, and best of luck to him as well because he's flying to Germany. मास्टर्स के लिए इंजीनियरिंग, क्योंकि इंडिया में इंजीनियरिंग बैचलर्स करके मतलब नहीं है, बाहर जाना ही पड़ता है.
That's so good. Your beast is also another level.
He loved my busa.
Appreciate that, man. Ride safe.
Yes, thank you. चलेगा, चल.
Yeah.
चलो, bye bye. So that's all we had from Bharati Vidyapeeth today. पता नहीं जाते हुए कुछ मिलेगा तो ठीक है content, नहीं तो फिर it's over. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So please don't forget to like this video, give a big fat thumbs up, subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and share the video as much as you can. Bye bye, love you, and take care. See you sexy and beautiful people in the next video. Bye. Also at the same time, in case if you want to follow Yantram, right? Yantram. So they have their Instagram page as well. I'll put it in the description box below, so you can follow them and follow me as well. Bye.